No trades. All right, next up, 2 more boxes of 2022 Bowman First Edition Baseball. Yeah, of course, you realize on the coming soon that the release dates change like twice a week, so I wouldn't like make any solid plans around that. But that's true. Jules fills everything. And Ryan even charges more. Did you guys know that? Prices are crazy. You guys don't even care. You'll pay anything. Dustin Harris. There is no amount that you guys won't pay for Jules breaks. We've tested it. I was like, put the Rangers for $75 in Series 1. And we did, and you guys bought it every time. Instantly. Don't even have any cards on the checklist. They have no cards on the checklist. There's Warming Bernabelle. Alexander Ramirez. Michael Escato. Lovely name. Man, I'm looking forward to Premier Hockey, actually. That'll be awesome. We haven't had a big hockey release. What was the last big hockey release that anyone was excited about? I mean, Series 1 kinda, but like, you know, like a high-end hockey? San Quentin.
It's been forever.
I can't even
so long.
Can't even think of it.
Yeah, I really have no idea. Like, is SP Game used from last year? Maybe like the last one.
That's not as good as Premier.
No.
Like on the level of Premier, I guess Black Diamond, kind of.
Well, wait, when did last year's Cup come out?
100 years ago. I don't remember. SPX. Yeah. Premier's way better. Yeah. Premier's like $500 a box. Ooh, gold. Rodolfo Nolasco to 50 for the Pirates. 10. Gold. I love gold. Eddie Leonard. Huh. Well, I had a chat for a minute, and then they all were like, nah, it's too exhausting. Zayed Salinas.
They build the UFC?
Yeah.
Wow. Just the Inception hangers on, huh? Couple of teams.
Just teams I don't want, yeah. You got anything, YouTube chat? Ortega.
Well, don't egg them up.
I'd almost welcome it. I was in the mood to talk, and then everyone left. I don't know. That's what I'm wondering. I
bet it does.
Nice, Tatis. Yeah, this stuff over here, you mean? Looks like Finest or Tech or something. That's a nice Tatis blue sky.
I don't remember if the parallels will...
Cleo Watson.
I wonder if the parallels were different last year. Like if the Chrome parallels in the first edition parallels were...
Edit, you missed my thing about how Pete Crow Armstrong is not actually a real player. We've all been fooled this whole time. No one's ever seen him taken at bat. He just gets traded. Denzer Guzman to 75.
His so-called baseball career is one of the great catfishings of all time.
Tatis. Chat with me, Rasmus. What are you playing right now? Any video games? No, I didn't see it, Steve Nebraska. There he is, Pico Armstrong. Yeah, see? Now, like, is there anything that you don't know about the new Prism? I mean, you got all the inserts and the base parallels. And you know more about WWE Prism than anybody. Is he, though, Dave? Dave's like, I've seen him in person 100 times. Yes.
Yeah.
He signed a ball for me at the game.
Pete Crow Armstrong is actually an amalgamation of former baseball prospects.
Too chilly. F1 Sapphire, no idea. Believe it or not, I don't get told of anything until it happens. I don't get any inside information. Oh, it's orange. Daniel Guzman, the same guy for the Angels to 25. Sweet dog. Per cards misprint. The leader in new release, upcoming releases. Checklist. Yeah. Yeah, there's supposedly gonna be F1 Dynasty. Austin Hendrick. Austin Hendrick feels like he's been a prospect for 12 years too at this point.
I think that may be like because he has a generic Bowman name. He's only been in since like 2020, I think.
Oh, okay.
Something like that.
Well, where are you getting your information headed? Brian Bello. I was gonna say, I'm not even joking right now. I'm dead serious. I think that the CSB website release dates will be more up to date than any website on the internet. Because I get the direct emails from Topps and Panini, and we're just gonna change them like right away. So you might actually look at this website for release dates that are the most up to date. We'll see. The other ones are all wrong.
Also, have you ever Googled product X release date?
Yeah, it's impossible.
You can't find it.
Junior Sanchez.
You click on a Beckett article, you go, that'll have the release date in it. No.
No, they're awful. Very one. Adley. Orbit. Trey Sweeney. Marvel Spider-Man Metal. Yeah, we haven't tackled the upper deck yet. Lenyon Sosa. Upper deck release dates are impossible.
Yeah,
nobody knows.
Yeah. Upper deck doesn't know.
No,
so
they don't.
We certainly don't know.
I remember Kenny's had like 3 funny jokes. Like legitimately funny. Like not like the fake laughs I give you guys just because I feel bad.
Yeah.
Those are real laughs.
Not like the laughs we give Red Raiders.
Yeah, yeah. You can tell the difference, right? The real laughs. Ellie De La Cruz. Yeah, it's a lot of that, Mikey.
Not even fake. They're just, courtesy laughs.
Yeah. Well, they're fake. I mean, I'm actually laughing, but... Ooh, good idea, Brian.
You could make that like a part of, like sports, baseball, football, upcoming releases. Like its own category.
We just get a bunch of new members of the site that don't want to ever buy anything. They just are fascinated with release dates.
You have to like upgrade the server just for the people who never buy anything on the site.
The notification. 14 release dates changed on the cards of this website. Check it out now. Yeah, it is the supply chain. Tatis. Not their fault.
No, I don't think it's their fault. I feel bad for Upper Deck, actually.
Yeah, I think they're already
they're
working.
They're pretty clearly, like, being bullied by the bigger companies, I think,
Yeah. What notifications don't work? Robert Hassel.
Well, that's a thing of the past, Pills.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
That's the old CSB.
Trey Sweeney. Who are the ad wizards that came up with this one? Alvin Guzman. I haven't even gotten an email that people's notifications are broken in months. I should start like aggressively tweeting other like Beckett and other places that have release dates and like at Beckett thinks Bowman's coming out.
Yeah. Like all the grading companies subtweeting each other about the backlogs being bad and then none of them delivering at all.
Yeah. Oh, hey, at Beckett. Looks like you think SPX Hockey comes out August 1st. LOL. Head over to Cardsmiths for the real release dates. Eduardo Lopez. I know. Must be authentic. It's weird. I don't know when all that other stuff is coming. There is an email from Upper Deck that comes out every once in a while, and it's just like, if the release is not on this calendar, then there is no date, and they'll have like nothing. They'll have like 2 things on it. Christian Hernandez.
Well, no. Right now, what we should be doing is tweeting at Champagne Poppy. WWE
Yeah.
Prism comes out.
Yeah, Khalil Watson. Ooh, Ellie De La Cruz, Sky Blue. These 4 boxes of Bowman's First had $12,000 worth of cards in them.
Really good breaks.
We should have opened our own boxes.
Yeah.
What an idiot I am, giving these away. After shipping and fees and stuff, they're like the same price we had to pay. Taxes and all the shipping we had to pay from Topps. The Topps shipping things are racket.
Brutal.
My God.
The tax and shipping on these is...
It's like $50.
Yeah. Or you could take the cheaper option and just never get the box.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Brady Allen.
You could pay like $18 and wait 6 months to get the box.
Mm-hmm. Matos Sky Blue. You should play Horizon Zero Dawn. Is that right, Red Raider? Wow. Well, you're in Texas. Don't they ship from Texas? Norge.
I think they come from Florida usually.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
We've had some very long waits on.
130. Oh, somebody's here. Finally. I just remembered we don't even have Premiere. This is hopefully our Premiere case. To this minute, at this minute, we don't have a case of Premier Hockey because UPS hadn't come yet. Hopefully we just got them. At this moment. Joshua Bias. What? Yep, they didn't come all day. Yeah, it's true, Kenny. Ooh, Joshua Baez blue to 150. A Bendix. I don't know. Could be good. Ryan says he's a stud. Ryan's such a homer, though. Any of these guys from Sacramento? I haven't looked this class.
Almost all of these guys are from the Dominican
That's
Republic.
true, yeah. A big chunk of them aren't from the United States. More of an idea. Urbina Gold to 50. Yeah, he looks a little hefty, huh? Elijah Tatis. In my day. Maybe Rizzo. Malcolm Nunez.
Joshua Baez is from Boston.
Idea Cruz. Oh, wow.
Interesting.
I think if North Carolina. I think if personal box breaks get slow on Thursdays, we should start doing personal box battles. 2 spots.
Yeah.
Split them down the middle. AFC, NFC, well, basketball. Oh yeah, Western and Eastern.
Yeah, American League National.
American League, National League. Everyone will go against Tim in a box battle and lose. But you don't actually win the other people's cards. It's just, you know,
Yeah, you just get half.
just bragging rights, as Omni would say.
Bragging rights.
Yeah.
By the way, this week, all bets are off. The folks are in town. The accent's coming back.
I've already heard it. Ellie De La Cruz. I can see it right now. Edit and Kenny going head to head on a F1 Chrome hobby. Oh man. Braylon Minier. I don't have any more. This is it, Kenny. Like, we got 4 boxes. I got 2 and Omni got 2, and I bought the 2 from Omni. Off Omni, and that's it. That's why I said I'll buy yours if anyone has some. But I need a couple more. We could do a couple more breaks. Blue Alejandro PA. The blues look good. Of course, as soon as I buy 2 boxes from people, I have to go through. They're going to email me like, hey, I sold you that box for $450, and I saw you were charging like $600 for the break. Then I'll have to break down. Well, okay. First off, Omni gets 25% of every break, so already I'm losing money.
Yeah.
Then you got the shipping, you got the supplies, the electricity, my various drug problem habits.
That's gross too, by the way, for me.
Yeah. Yeah, before fees. I'm not having that talk with any of you. You sell me something, I can sell it for whatever, and I don't want to answer any questions. Yeah. Sneak ripping. Ryan's in the bathroom ripping. What's that
what are
noise?
you doing in there?
Yeah. Oh, the toilet. New
He's
toilet.
just constantly flushing the toilet to cover the sound of the backs ripping.
Sorry, Eddie. I have really bad. Going to the bathroom again? Yeah. Oh man. Thought I got it all out, but oh no, there's more coming. Yeah. Every time the toilet flushes, he's like ripping all the ripping and stacking. Flushing all the non-first.
Well, you know they have one of those toilets that can like flush golf balls
Yeah.
and stuff.
All right, we had an orange Guzman. Urbina to 50, Nolasco to 50, Guzman to 75, PA to 150, and Joshua Baez to 150. Here's the sky blue and not numbered ones. Sneak ripping. Ryan's like, oh, I think I'm gonna turn in early and go to bed, and he's like under the covers with a flashlight in his mouth, trying to open packs. He hears Jules coming. Fake snoring. And some top prospect papers. He makes a pillow. He just empties one of their pillows out and fills it with like the cellophane packs to try to hide them. Jules rolls over her head and it's all crunchy. What the heck?